Hi, today I've brought the OPPO Reno 80 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. If you want to mute the ringtone volume, we can just slide to the left side ringtone volume panel, and by this way we'll mute all of our ringtones. Also we can make it with the help of the volume buttons, but first be sure that in more section in volume button function you have selected ringtone volume, not the medias, and now just by press to the down volume button we can see that we just successfully moved the ringtone volume, and also we can make it by the slide with our finger to the down this volume panel. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.